All right, everyone, I'm out in the garden and I'm about to teach you something that's important. How to make nettle water. Yes, indeed. It's full of iron. Rhubarb really loves it. It boosts plants' immune systems. It helps them become more resistant to disease. Step one, have, I don't know, a pail, bucket, whatever the hell you want, and fill it with water. Step two, put a bunch of nettles in it. Step three, on it and let it ferment for a couple of weeks. Ta-da! That's how to make nettle water. Again, you're going to want to have a strainer on your watering can when you do that. I will gather more nettles, by the way. This is just mainly a joke. It's really that simple. And you just let it ferment. It'll leach into the water, add iron, add proteins, and they are immunoeffective for various species. Just if a plant doesn't like a lot of iron, don't give it to that plant. That's the only caveat to it. That's about all. Peace out.